What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. By the title, by the shirt, you already know what we're talking about. A little bit of a different format, but it's the same Bossco doing some great things. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you smash the like button. Share the video so more people can see this. And if you happen to be new and it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe with notification bells on to be updated every single time I put out some content. Of course, without further ado, we're going to get into these shoes, you dig? As you can see, we got that Kyrie 5 finally in hand, out the box. The Kyrie 5 Friends Edition, paying homage to the 25th anniversary of Friends. I believe that's what it is, one of Kyrie's favorite shows. What do you guys think about this shoe overall? A lot of people was anticipating these things for a minute. Was able to get you guys a quick early look at them just to see what you guys thought about them. This is dope though. It reminds me of a Black Magic / Chinese New Year, just with the colorway and the combination of colors that they use. I'm loving the roping type of lacing they use. These laces are definitely different from the ones that we have seen before. Would have been dope if they added somehow like a little 3M touch to it, but it's still dope, man. Nonetheless, it's still a dope shoe. One of my favorite features, which are a lot of people's favorite features, is the multicolored fly wire that's connected to the fly trap. I think that's dope. I wish they did that on more silhouettes. That would have added extra pizzazz to each and every one. Hopefully ones after this that are released have that same type of situation going on. It just adds flavor to the shoe. The outsole is crazy, all white, majority all white, with the colorful pods at the bottom or eyelids, with that zoom turbo in the forefoot of the shoe by the, where your toes go. What do you guys think about the shoe? Nothing too much different about the silhouette besides the color. A little bit of detailing on the back panel of the shoe. You have a little tag that flips out. One says Kyrie with Nike swooshes in between each lettering. And then on the other sneaker, on the other sneaker, you got Friends in the same type of font, which represents, the Friends show, Kyrie. He has actually a tattoo that says Friends on one of his arms. The shirt is pretty dope. They had this one along with a long sleeve black one that had Nike swooshes all down the sleeves, which I thought was dope. But it is kind of getting warm out here in California, so long sleeves will kind of be out of it. Maybe it's something you get now to wear later. I don't know. But pretty dope. They did not have the hat. There is a hat that came out with it. Let me know what you guys think about the merch that also came out with this. I think by far I do like the shirt. I think there's a white shirt also, but I'm not good at keeping clean, keeping white shirts clean. Same thing with white shoes. I mean, I can, but for me, it's just a headache and a hassle. So that's why I passed on the white opportunity and went with the black tee. Pretty dope though. All in all, I want to know what you guys think. Did you guys go after these things? Cop, pass, fire, or trash? Is the question of the hour of the day. Is this something you went after? Would you guys wait? Like, basically, if you've been watching my videos, you guys see how much heat and recent heat goes to the outlet. So if you're not able to catch them when you want to, when they drop now, wait a week or two. You might find them at an outlet in your local area. I definitely recommend you guys go check those things out. Also, we're gonna get to the highlights of these shoes and the on feet. These are a 12. I'm a 13. These are not going to be staying with your boy, but I did want to make sure I got the review. Now, if you see in the video, I will show you again how to unlace these things so you can get your foot into them. Kyrie's are definitely snug and they are a little bit of a work to get in. I do have a video that will explain the best way to unlace them so you can get your foot in here, even if you're a wide foot. And to be honest with you, it worked with me getting my foot in a 12 when I'm a 13. I was able to really loosen up this fly wire to give me all the space I needed to get in there. It was really secure on my foot, but they still felt great. I don't know if I could hoop in them like that. It felt like I could, of how secure and tight it was, but I felt like I also didn't have a lot of room to move, so that's why 13 is best for me. Let me know what you guys think. Once again, we're about to get to the highlights and the on feet. I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. I got the local giveaway going on for those of you guys going to the stores that I'm going to. Go to one of the stores I go to. If you cop something, send me a picture of yourself doing so on IG or Twitter, and you can get yourself a free Funko Pop. That's just something I'm doing for local subscribers, and I'll bring out the details pretty soon for what we're going to do for the nationwide, worldwide situation going on for everybody down with the team, man. I appreciate it. I've been seeing you guys throw out the Boss crew a little bit more, Boss Squad a little bit more. If you guys are liking that, comment down below what should we be called? Boss Crew, Boss Squad, Bosscosaurus Squad. I've been seeing a lot of stuff. Boss Crew and Boss Squad have definitely been sounding pretty good. But let me know your thoughts and opinions, of course, on that down below. I'm about to get out of here. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe once again. Peace.